Welcome back, and today you join us for the first time actually sat in the car. We're just sat in the car park outside the Hilton at Houston. We got some really bad reviews actually, but you know, lots of 1 out of 5 reviews, but to be perfectly honest, I'd give it a firm 3. Right, next stop is Galveston, picking up the Carnival Dream, so come along and I'll see you next when we get to the garage where we're parking the car. Whoa, so that's the car parked up. We're parking in Galveston Park and Cruise. We're a little bit early, but the man was really helpful, so that was good. Just about to get run over. So that was handy. So it's blisteringly hot here at the moment, so just spin the old camera around. Okay, that's the Carnival Dream. That's what we'll be travelling on in a moment. So we'll try and get on board there, see if we can get our suitcases dumped off. But yeah, okay. Galveston Park and Cruise. Guys seem really friendly. The garage is quite big. The space was big enough for the car, so that's handy. So let's find out where we can get rid of our suitcases. So the guy helping us to park was very helpful. He's just told us we've literally just come out of the car park. Let's just walk down this road, turn left apparently, and that's the entrance where we need to go. Yeah, so all in all, pretty good so far. Quite seamless. We're next door to a train track as well. Just spin myself round behind me. The Santa Fe American Flyer. If you know what that is, let me know. I've got no idea. Right, let's carry on down. So when you come to Galveston, New Strand is the little road all the cars are coming out from, you see. That's where we actually parked down there. As you can see, it's really nice and close to the cruise ship. Imagine that takes us into downtown Galveston. But we're going to go and try and find if we can drop our bags off. So let's go and have a look. Oh. Not sure I'm supposed to cross there, but there we go. There's a couple of Carnival ships in here. I'm not sure the name of the first one, which we're just walking past. It's behind a big building. But we're on Carnival Dream, like I said, so there's a little walk down this road. So I'm going to wander down towards it and hopefully find somewhere out in the sun. It's blisteringly hot today. It's hot as it's been all the last few days we've been here. Cruise Ship Terminal 28. Luggage drop-off, so hopefully we'll be good here. Checking in. Cool. So I'm not going to say it's chaotic, but it is quite busy here by the looks of it. So I think this is the entrance here. Let's try this one.
You're boarding, about zone 14, there'll be a line down there.
Okay, thank you. Okay, don't know if you heard that, we've been sent down to zone 14 where there's a line. There's a big sign on the wall as well. So there's entrance check-in. Right, so I think it's here. Right, yes. Hello, young man. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
I just need to see your boarding pass.
One of them?
Okay, priority. This one will be right here.
Thank you very much
Have a
indeed.
great day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we did buy the faster to the fun, which means we don't need a queue by the looks of it. So that's cool.
You're getting on the green. Did you know that? Okay.
There we go, sir.
Are you sure you're getting on the group? Yeah.
Well, I was. I don't know about who this lady is, but
Enjoy your trip.
thank you very much.
I told you I'd come back. Yeah, but it's already done because they had that clothes up there. They had that section closed and I had a good line. But they finally opened it.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sounds like everything's okay.
Yeah, so obviously with the priority, faster the fun, it means you can just wander straight into a much smaller queue. As I said, it's 10:15 in the morning. Our boarding wasn't until 12, but because we got the ticket, in we come. And it's lovely and cool up this end as well, right by the fans. I don't think you'd have a fan if you was in the queue behind me. Okay, so we're through security. Bags all checked. Oh, I think we got a dog check, so I better switch you off. Okay, so we've been to guest services, had the old passports checked again and those sort of things, probably because they don't actually get many people from the UK on here. And now let's continue on our little boarding journey. As you can see, it's pretty empty, but it is also quite early. But now we need to go upstairs, see if we can avoid the photographer. And I don't think we are going to avoid the photographer. So, upstairs you get held in a waiting area. So we were held in that waiting area for about 50 minutes, I think. But they've called us through, so it's time to go on board. Okay, let's walk on board the ship. We're now on board. Oh, hi there. Yeah. It's slightly over the top. So where we've got on board early, everyone's still walking around with buckets and cleaning and that sort of stuff, but our muster station's A3, so we're going to go looking for A3, get our muster part out of the way, then dump our bags off at the room, then see what happens after that. But you can't get through that way, that's a cinema. So the plan was we weren't going to look around the ship yet, but it seems we have to just to find a muster station.
Is there a muster area over there?
Yeah. Nope.
Do we need to
We won't get those till later, too.
go to the desk or
Get
anything?
this on the way. You have to check in to do this.
Ah, there you go. Okay, found the muster station.
E3. So you are the wrong muster station, sir. You're going to have.
It's pretty high up here.